Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Once again I'll talk about 6 movies and one more extra super movie. So guys, stay with me until the end of the video. And one more things guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. My Father, My Love 2018 IMDb rating 5.6. The storyline is the love 16-year-old Lena feels for father Noah is more than sisterly love. To distract herself, she encourages Noah's friend Ines, but she is so upset with her father that she cannot curb her feelings. She started daydreaming, living more in a fantasy world than a real life. She finally brings herself to confess to Noah. She is shocked and repels her. Lena embarks on a journey into the unknown. Guys, movie is super. You can definitely watch it. Must watch it movie. Number 5. Urban Tale 2012 IMDb rating 5.3. The storyline is a boy and a girl wake up in a bed one morning naked. The children's mother died a few weeks earlier. Before she died, she asked her children to find their birth father who left them when they were still babies. Their quest in search of their father leads them to hospitals, nursing homes, and holding cells. In the course of the quest, the father and sister meet people who provide them, like in parallel quantum universe, a glimpse into what their future lives may hold for them. Is this a world suitable for these two young souls? Will they change their nature in order to survive? Based on a true story, this independent film is unique in its cinematic storytelling, provocative, sometimes non-political correct, yet on the other hand thought-provoking and soul-penetrating. The movie is super guys, you can definitely watch it. Must watch it movie. Number 4. Tierra 2012 IMDb rating 5.9. The storyline is a incestuous relationship between two siblings after their mother's death leads one of the characters to feel haunted by guilt. They try to forget their blood ties to, but they only become more evident and hard to manage. The movie is super guys, you can definitely watch it. Must watch it movie. Number 3. On to Another 2006 IMDb rating 5.8. The storyline is Chakan Sanuit explores the kernel in interdependencies among a host of characters who live in a town in a provincial France. At the center of it all is Pierre, a conceited and vain bisexual musician in his late teens who acts as a magnet to varying degrees for a whole airy character from his sister Lucica, with whom he has a hated incestuous relationship, to a city councillor with whom he participates in gay orgies. When Pierre turns update, Lucica investigates the reason for his demise and cuts the network of sadomasochistic relationship that circuses the town. The movie is average guys, you can watch it if you like. Number 2. A gschicht Uberty Life 2019 IMDb rating 6.5. The young Gregor lives together with his sister Maria and his father in St. Peter in Baden-Württemberg. The father has a farm there. Gregor is supposed to take over his business later, but he has other dreams because he wants to open a gas station on the main road. In order to realize this dream, he relies on the financial support of his father, who under certain conditions even gets involved and respects the wish of his only son. But the father condition puts the siblings Gregor and Maria to the test. The movie is super guys, you can definitely watch it. Number 1. My Brother, My Sister, 2020. No IMDb rating. The storyline is Kai and Barry, two depressing siblings, try to get over their parents' death. She becomes too close to him as she suffers from agoraphobia and anxiety, as he suffers from depression. He tries to understand her. The movie is super, guys. You can definitely watch it. And guys, last on extra movie is Sejak Napak 2002, English name Pleasant Days, IMDb rating 5.2. The storyline is Feta returned from prison in his native city in the hope that it will bring happy days. With surprise, he learns that his sister became a foster mother to the newborn boy, but a real mother of the child, extravagant and slutty Maya, wants to take it back. Peter falls in love with Maya. He is torn between his girlfriend and trying to manipulate his sister, but he is to make a choice, and the happiness was so close, melt into their ear. Guys, movie is super. You can definitely watch it. Must watch it movie, and it is extra movie.